Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We were expecting to see the iQOO Z9 by the end of this month, and while it's not official yet, through an earlier Bluetooth SIG certification we found out that the Z9 has Bluetooth 5.3, and of course it will have 5G connectivity. From a reliable source in China come a few of its specs. The prolific Leakster digital chat station says the Z9 will have a 1.5K OLED 120Hz refresh rate panel. The Z9 will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset. Interestingly, in the past there was another rumor claiming the Z9 would sport the MediaTek Dimensity 8300 SoC. It could be that the Z9 Pro will go that route, and the Z9 will stick with the Snapdragon. The alleged iQOO Z9 leak by DCS further states that it has a 6000 mAh battery. Unfortunately, it does not say anything about its fast charging capabilities. Let's wait and see what happens. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.